These guys are just so great, honestly. Sometimes I just tell them to just sit down, have a rest.
Ta-da!
So has it been busy in lockdown, mate?
Yeah, pretty busy. We're just been getting a lot of the odd jobs done and everything while all the customers are staying away, sort of type thing. So we can do a non-contact service. We can come pick your bike up and drop it off while it's in the middle of lockdown. So keep everyone happy while it's pouring down with rain.
I am currently working out the brake conversion offsets for the front sprocket, which is something that we can do here. Just we fitted up this, got this custom made rear sprocket. These are actually the current model GSX-R 1000 wheels, which we made fit, got all in line. Now we're just getting the offsets right for the front sprocket here. These are the rear sets that I designed myself, and we got made up. Obviously there's a full CNC machine bits, but yeah, just designed basically so you can get your knee down and ride these things as fast as what you should. It's a necessity. So they're called the Fearless FD rear sets. So you need some of these if you want to go take a dime to the racetrack, that's for sure. But yeah, fit them up. They actually fit onto the pillion mounts. So brought them forward. They have to come this wide, so they miss the primaries here. So this basically goes, there's like 1 mil gap here between the primary cover, or the derby cover, and the foot peg here. So that's why they have to be so far out. But I've tested it myself at a racetrack and it went really well. So I'm sure you'll be able to cut into a section of that, because it was that was a good day.
We've done everything until we've got longer forks in it now, and some rear sets Davo's made up. First time out on them tonight, which obviously makes a massive difference.
Knee down on the dyno.
Knee down the dyno. That's as wide as you can go.
Super long gear lever, which we've got made up. Well, Jono Potter made them up. But yeah, so that's basically runs off the standard mount. There's one around here somewhere, and it's a race pattern gearbox from how it is here. So yeah, it'll convert to the racetrack. The biggest thing as well, we've had to get seats made up, which on Alan's bike up there's the bigger seat, just higher, just so you can, just basically these are designed to be nice and low to the ground, these standard seats. But we've raised it up, so then the actual distance between here and where you're sitting, so you're not cramped up. Otherwise, yeah, your knees will be up into your ears. But that was the same distance that I run on all my superbike race bikes. So that's why I designed that, and it was perfect. We got these risers as well to make the suspension higher at the back and longer shocks. They're probably about a 40 mil longer shock than standard, plus an extra 30 mil riser. So it's a lot of thought went into that. When I tested Troy's bike at the track, we actually was quite low still. So the higher the better. The more weight over the front, the better the bike turns. We've also got the extended fork tubes as well. So the whole bike's just risen up, and also a little bit extra at the back. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing them all out there. But yeah, it's going to be good fun. Alan's not going to give me a good engine, he said. It's going to give me a stock engine. I want to ride his Hot Wheels bike because that one's hot as. But no, it'll be good fun.
Pete said he had the speedo go from 220 on his Harley, and he said I was right off it, so you know, it's pretty fast, you know. Everything we're doing, we're giving it back to it, putting it back into the sport, and you know, that's what we love doing. It's not a 9 to 5 thing, it's a bloody 24-hour-a-day thing. Heartache, pain, crying, tears, laughter, you know, it all goes along with it, but wouldn't want to be doing anything else.
Experience, just try and get a good base set up for everyone before they go and work it out for themselves, because there's a few of the guys that went out to Talon Ben and rode them how nice and really low with the forward controls, and their feet were just on the ground like 30-degree lean angle, whereas I got this to around about 50-degree lean angle on Troy's bike and testing. Out on the racetrack soon. 26th of November, I think, is a race meeting at Talon Ben, and we're going to see hopefully about 10 of these things out there riding around. Hopefully Alan lets my dad ride his sporty in it as well, because he's got a roaring sporty. But my dad reckons he's going to smoke everyone, but not if I'm riding.